Hello, today's tutorial is to show you a sample program from isCOBOL 2014 R1 that demonstrates how to use the Window GUI control. This is the main samples program, the controls tab, the window sample, run the program. You can see I have a main menu with 3 different types of windows to show. The floating window, a sub-window that floats with several entry fields and labels. I exit this. The independent window is similar as well, a floating independent window. And the docking window is interesting. It shows how different dockable windows, sub-windows may be moved around. And let me show you now the source code for this sample. View source here. Let me reposition and resize this code viewer. Now you can see in the screen section we are creating different screens for this sample. The main screen that is going in the main window to show the types of windows, the menu of types of windows. Then the independent screen for the independent window, and later a couple of dockable screens to be displayed on the dockable sub-windows. Now in the procedure division we are displaying a main graphical window for the main screen. We accept it to select which type of window to see. Then there are paragraphs to display and accept the independent window with its screen, also the floating window, and the last is for the docking sample. In the docking sample you are seeing how we are using some special definition data to define how many columns and rows and leaves are going to belong to the special window with dockable sub-windows. And then we are creating a special window for the first dockable screen, and we create the dockable sub-windows and display the correspondent screens in there. Another dockable sub-window and displaying the second dockable screen in there. Let me show you now how to run this same sample on the isCOBOL IDE. I am going to select this code, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and now I am going to open the IDE, create a new source file, the name window.cbl, enter, and I am going to replace this skeleton with the sample. And let me introduce a small change here for you to see the difference. Not in the here in the window types, let's say the title now says from IDE. I save this, I compile it, and after compile I run this as an isCOBOL application, and you can see the same sample now running from the IDE and the same subsamples we already saw before. And this is how easy it is to use the Window GUI control with isCOBOL 2014 R1. Thank you.